What's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So finally, all my stuff is back from powder coating. As you saw in the last video, we're going to be installing the skid plate, the engine guard protectors, and I just got word that my heated grips should be here sometime, just in time for summer. But anyways, with that being said, while I have your guys' attention, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave this video a big thumbs up, and I am raffling off a custom GY6 Honda Ruckus. It'll be right here on the screen. We'll have a link down in the description. That ends March 1st. And if you live in the lower 48 states, it will be shipped to you for free. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. One more admin note. Also in the description, I'll have a link to my Honda Transalp page. Thank you all. We got about 2,000 members. I'm selling my AC Project exhaust. It does not work with SW Motec bags. And then I'm selling my factory Honda knuckle guards. Go check out the Facebook page. All the pricing and all the details over there. So let's get into today's install. All right, so as you can see here are my powder coated parts back. They look really good. We went with kind of a satin matte black and not a glossy black. And a few people hit me up and asked me how much does it cost for the powder coating, and that's all going to vary per your powder coater. I think mine was right around 250 plus ballpark for everything, so got a killer deal. Let's go ahead and get into the install, folks. Okay, so just to give you guys a look, this is how the engine guard is going to look. So if you have the upper fairing protectors, the spacers that you installed, you're no longer going to need those anymore. You're going to reutilize the 12 millimeter bolts here, and then down here on the bottom in the engine guard, fairing guard, not the fairing guard, but the skid plate and the engine guard protectors. There's a 12 millimeter bolt and a 12 millimeter nut for the back side. Go ahead and take that and secure it, and then we will do the exact same thing on the other side. I did loosen this just a little bit to give us some more play to bring this plate out and get everything secured. So let's move on over to the other side, get that one fastened on, and then we'll move on to working on the actual engine guard itself. Okay, so once you have both sides of the engine guard on, next thing is going to be this cross plate here, and then you have your full 4 bolts here, and then this is going to get mounted just like so. So let me go ahead and do that, and once we get it done, I'll show you guys. All right, and I don't remember if I said it in the last clip, but the 4 bolts that you install are the 8 by 16 millimeter bolts. Okay, make sure it's good and snug. Good and snug. Okay, now I believe it's time for the skid plate. All right, before you jump ahead like I did, you need to insert all of these rubber grommets into the 6 holes. There are 6 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do that now, and then we're on these mounting holes here and here, we're gonna take these Allen bolts with these supplied washers and go ahead and loosely fit the skid plate up, and then I will catch you guys back up. All right, so once you get all your grommets in, you're gonna put these little reinforcers in there like so. Pull your plate up, put your Allen bolt and washer and secure it, and that's it. They want you to install these little plastic clips, but I'm not gonna put those in, and to be quite frank with you, I don't know where they go, and I don't think they're gonna do anything for this skid plate. So here we go. All right, there you have it. Engine guard and skid plate is on. You know, a lot of people say, you know, this isn't the most durable skid plate on the market. It is rather thin, but I believe for what I'm going to be doing, it'll get the job done. So make sure you put those little caps, those little cylinders inside each of these holes. Got 6 of those, and yeah, I would probably say set yourself probably maybe an hour and a half if you haven't done this before. And like I said, I already already had these on, so we just had to loosen those bolts. And remember, you're not going to use those spacers whenever you install the engine guard. This nut holds both of these together. So once you're done, go through, double check everything. Looks like you're going to need a 12 millimeter socket, wrench, and an 8 millimeter Allen key as well. So yeah, like I said, that's it. If you guys are interested in the Honda Ruckus, the link will be down in the description. SC Project exhaust is up for sale, along with the factory Honda knuckle guards. And then I was thinking about, should I get these blacked out and then this side piece for the rear rack blacked out, or would that be too much black? And then I was thinking about on the Bart Buster somewhere here, getting my YouTube channel on one and then my Instagram handle on the other. And then we have the other rear bag for the set. And then also I have the SW Motec Evo fog lights coming in. They'll be mounted and clamped onto the front crash bar, and then it comes with a switch. Those should be in Tuesday, so look out for that video as well. And yeah, I mean, those heated hand grips are due to come at like the end of March, so we don't really need them. Plus I have heated hand grips, and then also, I can't remember if I told you guys I put on the radiator shield guard, and I had it powder coated black as well. But that is going to be all the time we have for today's video. Thank you all so much for 2,000 members in the Honda Transalp Facebook group. The link will be down in the description as well. I can't wait to get the fog lights on the bike. The only time what was weird was, and somebody else mentioned in the Facebook group, they did the 12-volt socket accessory as well, and the check engine light came on. There's just a little connector there. You go to the outside pin, and then you go to the inside pin, a little piece of wire, turn the key on, turn it off, turn it back on, and check engine light hasn't been back since. So, whew, I'm ready to relax. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.